Happen in the middle of the night.
Red alert, red alert.
Yeah, keep the fire truck.
No. I do not see any smoke.
I don't detect any, even a trace.
It has a nice rhythm to it.
Oh, look at the mist.
Like winning a jackpot. Let's go out.
Well, we can't use the elevators. Or we shouldn't.
I'm gonna have a look out here and see. Everybody's gonna be
First
like,
check to make sure the door isn't hot.
everybody's gonna be like in their face and shit.
Said it's a false alarm.
I hope so.
I hope he's right. Well, it shows the system works.
Are you bringing the little bag?
Maybe we should take our stuff. I don't really want to carry it down 18 flights, do you?
You don't want to what?
Let's see now. Where's the exit?
Well, there's one
Let's go this way.
way. Wait
Morning.
Yeah, it's the whole building.
Morning.
Which way's nearest the
It's the other way, but
Oh,
this is the nearest exit. Let's see. Ah,
elevator.
elevator. Here's the elevator. Back to sleep.
False alarm.
Seems cute. Karen. Karen.
Hey, did you notice that?
Everybody's locking their doors. What?
The floor's on off.
Yeah, it must be a smoke exhaust system or something.
Ah, the doors do close. Good. You're supposed to.
They don't look closed to me.
Well, somebody opened that one.
What the hell did he say? Is that what he said? I couldn't hear it. Do we get a free breakfast for this? Morning.
A free bird breakfast.